What really is the difference between the aluminum and the stainless steel models of the Apple Watch? We're here to help you decide. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we have a plethora of Apple Watches here to help you decide which one you'd prefer, the aluminum or the stainless steel models. There are several differences between the two, and a lot to consider, including weight, durability, and quality. Let's start with the upper end model, the stainless steel Apple Watch Series 4. This Apple Watch comes in 3 different finishes: space black, gold, and silver. They all come with a polished, shiny, glossy finish that makes them much more akin to jewelry than the matte finish seen on the aluminum models. Anyone a fan of more traditional timepieces would most likely prefer the glossy finish of a stainless steel model and the weight that goes with it rather than the aluminum. On the Series 4, the stainless steel only comes with cellular baked in, and they have that little red ring around the digital crown to denote that. The aluminum, on the other hand, can come in cellular or simply GPS and Wi-Fi configurations. One thing to know about the stainless steel, while overall it may be more durable, it is more susceptible to microabrasions. The longer you wear this, you'll notice a bunch of fine little scratches around the outside of the casing. This is more noticeable on the silver model than it is on the space black. To achieve that wonderful deep space black look, Apple uses a diamond-like coating, and that coating actually strengthens the stainless steel and makes it less susceptible to those microabrasions. Here you can see my Series 3 Apple Watch in that space black, and there is not a single little scratch on this body. Once polished, it looks like it's brand new. This silver, on the other hand, usually will have a bunch of little microabrasions after a year's worth of use. I rocked the Series 1 and the Series 2 in stainless steel silver, and they definitely looked like a normal timepiece with a bunch of little scratches after using them for a year. I actually have my Master and Dynamic MW07 box, and it's made out of stainless steel. You can actually see all the microabrasions coming across on the bottom of this thing after just having it for a few weeks. That's the same thing you're going to see with your Apple Watch. Stainless steel is really tough, durable, but it is susceptible to those tiny little scratches. If that's something you want to stay from, definitely lean towards the space black over the silver and possibly even the gold. If we compare both models directly, you can see we have the space gray in the aluminum on top and space black on the stainless steel on the bottom. Aluminum is a softer metal, so while it may not get those microabrasions, it is more likely to get dinged and bent up over time, but it won't have those tiny little scratch marks. The stainless steel, especially the space black, is also more akin to having fingerprints. You can see here all the oil that kind of gets on the outside as I've been handling it. Luckily, all of that polishes off extremely easily and it looks shiny and brand new. But if you're concerned, that's going to be more noticeable on the space black than it is on the silver. So it depends on which you'd prefer to have if you're going with the stainless steel, fingerprints or microabrasions. The good news is neither of them are especially noticeable when you're wearing the watch on your wrist. No one's going to notice it, only you, as you go to inspect it. There are a few other differences in material. In this case, the backs of the Apple Watch are the same. In previous years, they'd be different, but this time they all have a ceramic back with a sapphire crystal in the center for that heart rate sensor. There is a difference on the front. The stainless steel model here on the left uses sapphire crystal for the actual cover. Then on the right, on the aluminum model, it uses a strengthened Ion X glass. That sapphire crystal is stronger and can withstand larger scratches than that of the Ion X glass. It does, however, carry a little bit more weight. The stainless steel models definitely weigh significantly more than the lighter aluminum. If you want purely the lightest Apple Watch, go with any of the aluminum models. If you like the weight of a normal watch, then definitely lean towards the stainless steel. Another difference between the two is the charger that's included. Inside of the box, you're going to have this magnetic charging puck. And for the normal aluminum model, the one that most people are going to pick up, it looks like this. It's all plastic and it's a little bit thicker. That's what you're going to see with those aluminum models. But if you pick up a stainless steel option, you're going to get a stainless steel charger to match. The length of the cord is the same, but instead of being wrapped in plastic, it's instead wrapped in stainless steel. It definitely looks a little bit better, a little more premium to go with it. It carries a little bit more weight, and when you compare them side by side, the stainless steel ones are just a little bit thinner. Luckily, any dock out there that requires you to insert your charging puck usually works with either model, so compatibility will not be a problem. Just one looks a little bit nicer, costs maybe a little bit more than the other. So that's it. Those are the big differences between the stainless steel and the aluminum Apple Watch. Stainless steel gets you that heftier, glossy, more premium feeling body with this sapphire crystal display. It only comes in cellular configurations and bundles in a stainless steel magnetic charging puck. Aluminum is lighter and uses that strengthened Ion X glass instead and use the plastic charging puck. Both great options, but which one do you prefer? Let us know down below.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.